Salut les amis! Welcome to amouralail show. Today I will show you how to make creme caramel. We will need milk, sugar, eggs for the custard, and for the caramel we will need sugar and water. So I will start with preheating the milk. So here I have milk, full fat milk that I will put in a pot. And what is important here, you don't want to bring that super hot. It has to, we just want to infuse that with what I have here, and that's fresh vanilla beans. This smells amazing. So you cut it in the middle, lengthwise, to open it. And then when it's open, with the tip of the knife you want to scrape it and remove all the seeds. And why are we opening that? We are opening that because it will give much more of the flavor. Now I'm putting that in the milk. And I will whisk that gently, just that is infused. This I never throw, and you can also put that in milk to infuse, but what I like to do is to keep that, and I put them in the sugar. You can see here I already have one. So you put that in the sugar. And that will give to the sugar that lovely flavor that we all love, and that's vanilla sugar. So you don't have to buy it, you have it whenever you will need. So while the milk is here infusing with vanilla, I'll mix ingredients for custard. So we'll need eggs, and sugar, of course. So now we'll mix it. It's beautifully mixed. So we will add the milk little by little, and I will whisk. So this is combined together, great. Now what I'm always doing, I'm passing the mixture through a sieve. And I will pass it, all this mixture. I'm always passing the mixture through a sieve because I want to take off all impurities from vanilla beans, from eggs, from sugar, from everything. So that's how I'm doing. So what is important now? It's important to let that mixture to settle down, because we want to remove all these bubbles. Till that is settling down, I will start with the caramel. What is important for a caramel? You have to have one pan with a thick bottom, and it's important that it's super clean. We start with a low heat. I have here sugar and water. In these first stages you're allowed to mix, so I will mix the sugar and the water. I will keep it in a low heat till the sugar dissolves. So now the whole sugar is dissolved, and you will raise the temperature. So the color is getting there. It's still light brown, but we are getting where we want. And in this stage you have to be careful to keep eye on it. So we have the color that we want, and we'll fill our ramekins. You put a little bit. And you spread it. We fill our ramekins with caramel. Thin layer, it's on the bottom and a little bit on the sides, and we are letting that settle. So we'll put that on the side to cool down. The custard is rested and all bubbles disappear, so we will fill the ramekins. You don't want to fill it till the maximum. So I'm filling the ramekins till this lip. I put the mixture in the ramekins. So now we will need one tray. Any tray that you have at home will work. So on the bottom of the tray, the best will be to put rack to separate the ramekins from the surface of the tray. If you don't have that, no problem at all. You can use parchment paper. You make it double and you put it on the bottom. It's super important to separate ramekins from the surface of the tray. So you'll put the rack, ramekins go inside. Then we will fill that with the water. Super important tip, guys, the water shouldn't be hot. I see many versions, people are preheating, like they're making the tea, super boiling water. Don't do that. It has to be warm water, approximately 40 degrees, but don't bother with that. So it's warm water. And we will fill the tray. You're filling the tray till the middle of the ramekins. Guys, I will give you some super good tip. Ramekins has to be covered. It's the best. And I see people are taking aluminium foil and put on the top, but then when you are checking the dampness, you have to open it, this and that, not so good. How I'm doing it? You take one rack from oven that you have and you wrap it in aluminium foil and you put it on the top. And whenever you have to check the dampness, if it's cooked, if it's not, you just open it, check, and that's it. So now this goes in oven on 170 for 1 hour. So guys, creme caramel is out of oven and I want to show you how you know that it's done. So when you shake it, it slightly moves. If they ripple, they're not done. And now when they're done, you want to take them out. When you take them out, you want that they cool to room temperature and you put them in the fridge. If you want to eat them that day, the best is to prepare them in the morning and to eat them in the afternoon, but even better is to make them day in advance. So that's top. Here I have one that I make day in advance and I will show you how to take it out. So you take the knife and you pass it. When you pass the knife, take the plate, pose it on the plate, and you flip it. Ooh, Look at this beauty. So let's try this beauty. Look at that beautiful texture inside. It's super silky and super smooth, and it doesn't have any hole, and that's because we put that rack, or if you don't have a rack, you put the paper, and it's cooking evenly. If you see the creme caramel with hole inside, or if it has many holes inside, outside, and I see many of them, that will mean only one thing: it's overcooked. And I see them everywhere. So if you want to be perfect, do it like this and everybody will go, wow, it's beautiful. I just love it. So, and also what is important, I put this warm water inside. Never put hot water because it's shocking, and you want to cooking evenly and gradually. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Now you know how to make creme caramel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Merci.